Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus and S25. Whether you want to maximize smoothness or save battery life, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, just unlock your screen and now go to settings. You can do this by swiping down from the top and tapping on the gear icon, or just go here in the menu to settings, and here scroll down and tap on display. And now find the option called motion smoothness. Here there is, tap on it. And here we have two options. The first one is adaptive, and you get a smoother animation and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate between 1 and 120 Hz. Or you can get a longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh up to 16 Hz. Okay, so choose the one that best fits your needs. I will choose standard and then just tap apply. And as you can see, now I have here motion smoothness and it's check standard. Okay, so that's it. That's how you change the refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.